Hey there, Snapchat enthusiasts! Welcome back to our channel, where we share valuable tips and tricks to enhance your Snapchat experience. In today's video, we'll be discussing how to send a lens to someone in Snapchat. If you want to share your favorite lenses with your friends and make their Snapchat experience even more fun, this full guide is for you. Let's dive right into the step-by-step process. Step 1. Open the Snapchat app on your device. Look for the familiar yellow ghost icon, either on your home screen or in your app drawer, and tap to open it. Step 2. Once you're inside the Snapchat app, you'll be in the camera section by default. Skip the camera for now and go straight to the lens. Step 3. Tap and hold on the lens icon, which is located in the center of the screen. By doing so, a menu will appear with various options. Step 4. From the menu, tap on Send to Friends. This option allows you to select who you want to send the lens to. Step 5. Select the friends or contacts you want to send the lens to. You can choose multiple recipients to share the lens with. By following these simple steps, you can easily send a lens to someone in Snapchat, spreading the fun and excitement of your favorite lenses with your friends. Thank you for watching, and we'll catch you in the next video.